I'm Quang. I'm Brad. I'm a smart mouse. Hello everyone. I'm the great. I'm the hunter. Once upon a time, in a big green jungle, there lay a strong and mighty lion named Leo. He was the king of the jungle. One sunny morning, a tiny mouse named Ryan ran by. Wow, who got away from me? Oh, I'm sorry, King Lan. I didn't mean to wake you. Please don't eat me. Eat you? You are too small for my big stomach. Please let me go. Maybe one day I can help you. You, a tiny mouse, can help me. Ha ha ha, that's funny. But I like the chorus. Go, little one, you're free. Thank you, kind Lan. I will never forget your kindness. The lion cloud and went back to sleep, but little did he know, one day he would need the mouse help. A few days later, the lion was walking in a forest. Suddenly, he caught in a hunter net. Wow, I can get out. Hey, Lan. What a king of the jungle. What a lucky day. Let me go, man. This is my jungle. Oh no, mighty lion. You are not so mighty now. I get my rope and my coat. Soon everyone will see my bride. Ha ha. The lion trapped and scared. Then the lion, the mouse, hear his roar. Roar. That sounds like my friend Leo. I must help him. Lion, be careful. The hunters might come back. Don't worry, I will save you. Almost done and snap, you are free. I'm free, I can't believe it. You saved me, little friend. What? My neck, my lion, where did he go? Wow, don't touch anymore again. Kindness always wins, Mr. Hunter. Turkey's mouse and the lion's free. I am sorry. I never hurt animals again. The lion and the mouse became best friends. From that day, Leo never cloud a small creation again. He learned that kindness always comes back to you. Thank you, and you taught me something important today. And you taught